All Pixel 9 models, including any Pro version, would ship in fall. There are two Pro models, Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL, and the Pixel Fold could join the Pixel 9 lineup as well. Pixel 9 Pro could have a 6.1-inch screen while the Pro XL would have a 6.7-inch panel. The Tensor G4 chip will power Google's new phones, and Google is expected to expand the number of on-device AI features. Bearing an unexpected change of schedule, the Pixel 9 Pro will likely debut in October 2024. If you are hoping to see the Pixel 9 Pro ahead of a likely fall launch, circle May 14 on your calendar. That's when Google I/O takes place, and while any hardware announcement at developer conference are likely to center around the Pixel 8a and the Pixel Fold 2. Google has shown off its main flagships at the event previously in 2022. There is one clear design change you can see in the renders accompanying this piece. The distinctive camera bar has been reduced, no longer stretching from edge to edge and now contained within a vertical peel on the back. There is one another potential display feature, a remote adaptive touch capability that would make screen more responsive depending on conditions like environment, activities, and whether or not there is a screen protector in place on your phone. There is one another possibility about the number of different Pixel 9 Pro models worth noting. A rumor claims the Pixel Fold will join the Pixel flagship lineup. Should that happen, the foldable would be known as the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. In terms of specifications, we are largely in the dark. Yes, the Pixel 9 Pro will almost certainly pack the Tensor G4 chipset, but what that will mean in terms of speed is currently unknown. You are best tempering your expectations. However, as sources speaking to Android Authority has said that it will most likely be a smaller upgrade than initially planned. That said, the Tensor G4 chip could feature some important new technology thanks to Samsung, the builder of said chip. It should hopefully mean better performance and thermal management, which will put the new Pixel more in line with its rivals. But speed isn't everything. The Pixel series was ahead of curve in adapting artificial intelligence with its Magic Editor, and it sounds like Google won't be resting on its laurels with the Pixel 9. According to a report in the information, Google's working on the powerful new AI assistant called Pixie that could evolve into a far more personalized version of Google's Assistant. It could, for example, perform complex and multimodal tasks like suggesting direction to the closest store where someone can buy a product they have photographed. The Pixel 9 phone could have a new modem to address long-term connectivity issues that have befallen previous Pixels. We are also expecting to see satellite connectivity for the new Pixels, not unlike the emergency SOS via satellite capabilities that have part of the last few iPhone generations. Along with the renders of the phone and its new look camera array, My Smart Price included one tidbit about camera species. The large sensor on the camera island suggests that Google will likely equip the device with support for variable aperture. Finally, we expect the Pixel 9 Pro to be the first phone to benefit from Android 15. It's early days for Pixel 9 Pro leaks, but it seems like Google could have some solid enhancement on the way even if the rumored smaller Pixel 9 Pro doesn't materialize. In particular, with Samsung pushing artificial intelligence hard, it will be interesting to see how revolutionary Google's Pixie AI assistant turns out to be.